TracDat Tutorials, Planning, How to Enter Objectives. After you have established a broad goal that relates to the college strategic plan, you need to establish objectives. An objective is a specific, measurable statement that supports the achievement of a goal. In order to write a successful objective for your goal, consider the following template. Fill in the blanks of using the name of the unit, the client, or students. An example of this is in the next slide. To highlight our example, we have listed the goal and two objectives. The goal is a broad statement, and each objective is a specific and measurable statement. Objective 1 states, the financial aid office will increase the number of students served by 10% by providing individual personalized counseling sessions. Objective 2 states, students attending individual personalized counseling sessions will report 3.5 or higher on a 1 to 5 scale as to overall satisfaction with counseling sessions. Objective 1 uses the name of unit will, example. Objective 2 uses the students attending will, example. After will, this is where you would insert your details. In the following examples, we will demonstrate how to add an objective. We will be using a fictional reporting unit titled Training Unit, Financial Aid. To add an objective, navigate to Unit/Discipline Planning. Then navigate to Goals, Objectives, and Assessment Plans. There are two available menus, Unit or Departmental Goals and Objectives. Navigate to the Objectives menu. Click on the green Add button located towards the right of your screen. A new screen loads with the following input options: Objective Name, Objective, Objective Status, Objective Types, Start Date, and Retirement Date. Next to Objective Name, give your objective a name. Our example will simply be Objective 1. You can be as simple or descriptive as necessary to differentiate your objectives. Next to Objective, type your objective. Our example will be, the financial aid office will increase the number of students served by 10% by providing individual personalized counseling sessions. Next to the Objective Status drop-down menu, click Active or Retired. When you are inputting a new objective, you should select Active. Select Retired after a time when your objective is no longer applicable. Next to the Objective Types drop-down, select whether this objective is related to academic, equipment supplies, facilities, operational, personnel, or technology/software. Our example relates to academics. Next to Start Date, type the day your goal will start. Our example will start March 20th, 2017. The retirement date can be tentatively set. Ours is tentatively set for March 20th, 2019. Navigate to the top of your screen and click on the yellow Save button. You will receive a message that your goal has been saved successfully. If you are adding additional objectives, you can click Save and Add New. If you are not adding additional objectives, you can click the Save and Return button or the Return button. This brings you back to the Goals and Objectives summary page. This completes the example of how to add an objective. In this example, we will demonstrate how to edit an objective. We will continue to use the fictional reporting unit titled Training Unit, Financial Aid. There are two ways to edit an objective. The easiest way is to access your objective from the summary, located in the content frame on your unit homepage. Here, we can see that the objective we input in our last example, Objective 1, is visible. Click on Objective 1. This is a shortcut to the Goals, Objectives, and Assessment Plans summary page. Navigate to the Objectives menu. Then, navigate to the objective you wish to edit. Click on the Edit icon located towards the right of your screen. Make any necessary changes in the available text boxes or drop-down menus. In this example, a user has changed their mind. Their objective type is more operational than academic, and they want to reflect this in the objective types. In order to achieve this, click on the X located towards the right of academic. Then select Operational from the drop-down menu. When you are finished making any necessary changes, click Save. You will receive a message that your objective has saved successfully. When you have finished making any necessary changes and saved, click the Return menu. You can also edit objectives from the sidebar navigation menu. To do this, you would navigate to Unit/Discipline Planning, then navigate to Goals, Objectives, and Assessment Plans. Then you would navigate to the Objectives menu and proceed to edit items as demonstrated in the previous example. This concludes the tutorial. If you have questions or comments, please email Marcus Jackson, mjaxo4@austincc.edu, or Ron Johns, rjohns@austincc.edu.